Welcome to Shark Dash. Cut the camera. Alright, guys. Welcome to guys, welcome to Desert. Oh my god.
Welcome to Desert.
Alright, guys. Welcome to Shark Desert YouTube channel. So today we're going to play Sega. We're going to do some cheat codes, some sound test cheat codes.
Yeah, y'all can see it. I mean, y'all can do it.
Alright, so we'll just do a tutorial and then we're going to look at my dog. Yes, my dog. My dog.
What's your dog? We don't do
It's not my dog.
Awesome.
Mr. SpongeBob? Why is SpongeBob talking? I'm sorry. Triple SpongeBob! Triple SpongeBob! Rock it.
Alright, put back the video. Let's go back. Now it's click start.
Oh, dude, we gotta turn up the volume because the sync's on upstairs.
Hold down A.
Say it again, what you want?
Start. Hold down A. Start.
Yeah, and then you get to this. Pause the video. Okay. Guys, let's look at my dog Raven. Oh my god. Yes, thank you.
I unpause.
Thank you, SpongeBob. I will want to unpause. We got Raven. Bro, it's super dark. Hold on, wait, guys. Let me.
Alright, guys, watch this.
Oh, the brightness is already up. This is so loud. I have to talk louder because every time I check my videos, this doesn't sound loud right now. But if I check the video, they can barely hear me. So I have to like talk like this. All right, guys, we're going to play. I don't know.
1, 2.
All right. Hey, we got the noise. We got
1, 2, 6.
triple
1,
trouble.
9.
Go fast.
2, 1, 1, 2, 4. Hold A. Then start.
Bro, turn nerd
Keep
mode.
holding A.
Keep holding A, guys.
Now B.
Bro, just
Keep
turned into a
pressing
ring.
C. So you have enough for Supersonic.
Yep, you gotta have 50 rings for Supersonic. You have to defeat the Death Egg first, legitimately. If you're not playing on a Sega Genesis, so I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah.
Now, whoops, wrong button.
Oh my god! There's still more rings! And
Now, double tap A.
oh my god.
No, these
We're defeating the off-brand Metal Sonic, guys. We're defeating him. Yeah, let's go.
hit so different.
Your mom hit so different.
Look.
Bro is literally destroying the off-brand. What do you want, Rosalind? Bro just ate a Hot Wheel. Pause.
It's so good.
Yeah.
So nice.
Raven, are you okay? I can't see your eyes. Wow.
You're dark.
Alright, Raven's kind of dark. Alright, we got the Death Egg here. Dun, dun, dun. Playing a Super Sonic. Dun-dun-dun. Triple Trumple SpongeBob. Dun, 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 dun. My singing. Bro, just literally. That's what I'm like when I stop on a stick. Oh my goodness, it's breaking everything. Dang. It's finally over, Raven. I want to see your face. Raven. But all we see is darkness. Let me just. Are you okay?
Yeah. Wait, don't show my face.
Oh, well, it was only one frame.
Alright, nice.
Dun, dun. Alright, so what happened to the volume, my dude?
Nah, that just happens.
Okay, so Tails drove off to go pick up Sonic from literally space.
But Sonic can fly.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Raven, I want to see your beautiful face, Raven.
Next one is Sonic 1.
Raven doesn't want me to see your beautiful face.
So for Sonic 1 it's hold A.
Got Raven here, guys. I want to showcase my dog. Bro, you can't even see her. All right, call Raven the shadow boxer. What? The shadow?
Let's look at the credits.
All right, guys. I'm gonna tell a secret. I have a second channel. The name's Sunshine. Go ahead, subscribe to that second channel. It features more Raven. All right. Anyway, Joe, you should know what I said.
You have a secret channel.
You know the channel. Where do you go? Whenever.
Shark Desert.
Nope. That's the secret.
Michael.
No. I'll tell you at the end of the video. Yo, it's Groovy. Yeah, Raven got the off-brand baby Grimace here from McDonald's. What do you have to say for yourself? I just got the grimace shit. Okay, we're done being weird. Oh, I'm sorry, Raven. I didn't mean to do that. She's gonna be mad at me now. Alright, can we skip this?
We don't have to look at the whole credits.
Alright,
We're looking at the whole credits in the other one.
we're going to Sonic 1, yeah.
The classic.
Sega!
We have enough time to do Sonic and Knuckles.
Definitely don't.
Well,
Well, no.
if you're about that, I'm gonna spam.
Spam what, your mom?
No, I'm gonna go fast.
Alright, we're at the final zone, final pieces to the Master Emerald, the Master Emerald. Guys, I'm a pro singer, Yeah. Defeat that big Eggman, scramble his bones. Defeat the big fat Eggman. It's so easy. Defeat the big fat Eggman, Overlapping. This is the cool song. Yeah, what's happening? Gears and wires and big face. Sonic is determined to scramble Eggman and eat him for breakfast. That sounds weird. We got our dog Raven vibing. You can't even see Raven. Oh wait, I'm pausing the video for a sec. Oh my god, it feels so much louder now. Louder. Alright, Eggman. We can see Raven better, guys. Raven.
You're all done.
Coochie coochie coo. Let me see your eye. See you see her eye. Yeah, Sonic. Driving around. Yeah. I think we may have time for Sonic and Knuckles. Alright, we're just walking around at the speed of sound, guys. We're like a boss.
How much time is on?
7 minutes and 35 seconds.
Oh yeah, we definitely.
So yeah, we have 7 minutes. Hey guys, welcome up to Sonic and Knuckles. Bro, we didn't even do the intro, Rodrigo. I mean, SpongeBob.
Let's go.
I'm playing with SpongeBob. Hey, yeah.
That would definitely have time. Left.
We got
right. Up.
We got the old school.
Start A. Hold down A.
Bro, Raven looks like she's done with this. I don't know if you guys can see her eyes.
Start.
Raven, okay, I'll leave you alone if I can see your beautiful eyes.
Now.
I know I can't. I can't see Raven's beautiful eyes. Oh, Death Egg. Hey, yo, what in the mech? Yo, that's from like Sonic the movie too. Oh, this is good music. Yeah. Back at it, bruh. That was the Hedgehog. Sonic defeat Sonic right now. Got this huge mech like it's tight now. Fighting Godzilla right now. I gotta stop singing. Cause this song is really cringy. I don't know why I am singing. Sonic, why the heck are you still spin dashing? Please stop spin dashing before you die. Bro literally just lost a finger. Eggman, I'm sorry, but you're not winning this. Sonic is too powerful. Yeah. Eggman's egg is really godly power, but no match for Sonic. He's too strong for Eggman. Hey, yeah. Listen to the song and listen to the beat and the rhythm of the song. Now my dad's here. We gotta lower the bar, guys. It got too much. There was too much stuff happening. Like, our little house exploded, so we gotta get a new one. So, yeah, we got a new one now. Like, the volume was so loud, the audio exploded. Alright, go ahead, Daddy. What
I'm just trying to glitch it.
Bro, what you're gonna be rewinding, I think. Alright, we defeated him, though. Oh my god, that was so good. Right, Raven? That was such a good rhyme. Oh, look at SpongeBob. Was SpongeBob all behind this? Was SpongeBob controlling an Eggman mech? Yo. It was all SpongeBob's fault. He hijacked Eggman's big godlike mech. Sorry guys. We're doing this for a second time now. SpongeBob hijacked Eggman's mech. He's trying to destroy the world right now. The Sonic's too powerful, killing his mech over and over and over again. I bet that mech can kill Godzilla, but how does Sonic do this? How is Sonic so powerful? Oh yeah, because he has that rewind button. He rewinds time to win his fights with Eggman. Now Eggman has two thingies. Eggman mech has two thingies. Bro, his nose looks like Pinocchio's nose. He's bald like Baldy from Baldi Basics. Yeah.
How much time is there left?
We got exactly 3 minutes left. Come on. Oh my god. We did it. Yeah, dance, Sonic, dance. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Jump. Did it. Yeah, we did it. We did it. Spin. Did it. Yeah, we did it, Sonic. We did it, Sonic, yeah. Oh no, we didn't do it. Oh my god. We didn't do it. Oh no. Sonic. Oh my goodness, we didn't do it, Sonic. Sonic, you gotta get him, Sonic. You might die. Oh my goodness. Bro's literally shooting atomic breath from his mouth like Godzilla. Stop ripping off Godzilla. Oh my god. This is too much. How is Sonic even breathing in space? How is SpongeBob egg breathing in space?
Guys.
Remember guys, he hijacked the mech. We have to save yourself, SpongeBob. I like making Krabby Patties and making... Why are you recording me? Why is this camera in my face, bro? Stop. Put the camera down. Alright guys, sorry.
Yeah, boy, got him.
We have cooked Sonic for dinner. What? No, SpongeBob for dinner. He's oh my goodness. Come on. Oh, he has the power of the Master Emerald. You see that, guys? To the side? That's why he's making those energy beams from Dragon Ball Z or something.
Got it that time.
Skippity bop boo bada. Bro, just defeat him already. We have 2 minutes left. Just keep hitting him, no matter what. Yeah, we did it. We for real did it this time, right? Did we do it? Did we defeat Groot? He looks like Groot from Despicable Me, guys. The Eggman mech. Oh wait, he's coming. Oh, he's back. Bro is trying to whack us with the Master Emerald. He should have done that. Eggman should have whacked Sonic with the Master Emerald. He wouldn't be expecting it. Ah, my job is done here. Okay, so
Are you sure about that?
SpongeBob Egg did not hijack his mech. Yeah, I told you I was innocent, bro. They charged me in court already. Hey, yo, Raven! Look, this is, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is literally the front of her face. This is her nose.
How much time do we have left?
Let's see her beautiful eyes. I want to see her beautiful eyes.
Time, Mason.
Oh, beautiful eyes. We got
Time.
We literally got 30 seconds left. Actually, no, we don't, actually. Raven's beautiful eyes. We want to see it at the end. We can't see Raven's beautiful eyes. I can see it, guys, but the camera can't. Oh, Raven's beautiful eyes. Oh my god, he's so cute.
Tails, you idiot.
What did Tails do? He pooped?
Forgot to grab the Master Emerald.
If only he brought the Master Emerald, it would be so much better. We could just end this Sonic story right here. I'm actually serious. If they got the Master Emerald, then Eggman wouldn't have anything to do about it.
Wait, is there still sound tests in there?
Sound test? And
Yeah, so I can do the code again.
we're not gonna be able to do that because we got.
I know, we'll just do another video.
Alright guys, hope you like this. Oh, look at this. This is like a good ending for me. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to turn on notifications. Hope you guys are having a great day and subscribe or your mom will get diabetes. This is Mr. Beast and out.